Fluffy's little wish. High up in the sky lived a tiny white cloud named Fluffy. He was smaller than all the other clouds, but his heart was full of dreams. "I want to be a rain cloud," Fluffy whispered. "I want to help flowers grow and give water to thirsty animals." But the big clouds only smiled. "You are too small, Fluffy," they said gently. "You don't have much water." Fluffy looked at the sky and sighed. Fluffy felt sad, but he did not stop believing in his dream. One day, Fluffy looked down and saw a dry village. The land was cracked. The flowers were bending. The little animals walked slowly, searching for water. A tiny bird sat on a branch and cried, "Is there no cloud who can help us?" That cry reached Fluffy's heart. His heart felt heavy. He closed his eyes and said softly, "I may be small, but their need is big." Fluffy floated closer to the giant clouds. His little voice trembled, but his heart was brave. "Please, the world below is hurting," Fluffy said. "I cannot help them alone, but maybe, if we stand together, we can." The giant clouds looked down. They saw the dry rivers. They heard the crying bird. They felt the thirsty wind. For a moment, the sky was silent. Then the thundercloud spoke. He nodded slowly. "If a small cloud can care so much, how can we stay silent? Being strong alone is not enough," he said. "But together, we are powerful." The giant clouds moved closer to Fluffy. They surrounded him, not to hide him, but to protect him. "Your dream is our dream now." They shared their water. They shared their hearts. The sky turned grey. Slowly, all the clouds gathered. And when they stood together, the sky changed. The wind rose, the sky darkened. And then, drip, drop, drip, drop, rain began to fall, soft and gentle. The earth drank deeply. The flowers lifted their heads. The animals ran with joy. The little bird danced in the rain. "Thank you, Fluffy," she said. Fluffy smiled with happy tears. Fluffy looked around at the clouds beside him. For the first time, he did not feel small. He felt strong. When the sun returned, a rainbow stretched across the sky. Fluffy floated proudly among the clouds. He had learned something very important. Even the smallest heart can make the biggest change. When we share, we become stronger together.
Thank you for watching.